Hello and welcome to our lesson for today. Today we're going to focus on mystery words. Get ready.
Materials.
The only materials you'll need for this lesson is your thinking cap. We have 3 learning targets for today's lesson. The first learning target says, I can follow along in a shared text. The second learning target says, I can search in a text and find words with 2 letters in them. The third learning target says, I can use clues from the text to identify a mystery word.
Read aloud.
Here's a new poem for us to read called I Can Be Anything. See if you can follow along as I read. I can be a dentist or a vet. I would be the best ever, you bet. I can be a dancer or maybe even sing. By the time I'm grown, I can be anything. Keep people safe by night or day. There's a kind firefighter, they'd say. I can invent a new kind of swing. By the time I'm grown, I can be anything. How many words are in the first line of this poem? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the first word in this first line of the poem? The word is I. What is the last word in this line? The last word in this line is vet. I hope you're doing your best to follow along in our poems.
Transition song.
Let's solve the mystery. Let's solve the mystery. Clue by clue, clue by clue. The clues will tell you what to do to make the word become clear to you. We'll know the words. We'll figure them out. Clue by clue, clue by clue.
Word work.
Remember that high frequency words are words that authors use often. Our poem, I Can Be Anything, has 2 of these words, but we don't know which ones they are. Let's use clues to figure out our mystery words. Our first clue is that our mystery word has 2 letters in it. I can be a dentist or a vet. I would be the best ever, you bet. I can be a dancer or maybe even sing. By the time I'm grown, I can be anything. Keep people safe by night or day. There's a kind firefighter, they'd say. I can invent a new kind of swing. By the time I'm grown, I can be anything. Do you see any words in our poem that have 2 letters? I see that the word be has 2 letters, or by, I'm, and of have 2 letters. I wonder which of these words is our mystery word. How about another clue? The first mystery word also has the sound E in it. Do you see any words that have 2 letters and the sound E? I see that the word be has 2 letters and the sound E at the end. B might be the mystery word. Let's check our clues. Does the word B have 2 letters in it? 1, 2. Does it have the sound E? B, E, B. Yes. Nice. We solved our first mystery. Now let's find our second mystery word. Our first clue is that the mystery word ends with the letter Y. Let's find all of the words that end with the letter Y. I see the words by, day, and say. Now let's find our next mystery word in our poem. Our next mystery word ends with the letter Y. Let's find the words in our poem that end with the letter Y. By, day, and say. I think we need another clue. The second mystery clue is that our mystery word starts with the same sound as the first mystery word B. B, E. The first sound I hear is B. So we're looking for a word that starts with the B sound. Do you see any words that end with the letter Y and starts with the B sound? I see that the word by starts with the B sound and it has a Y at the end. If you think that the word by might be our second mystery word, I think you're right. Let's check our clues. Does the word by have a beginning sound that says B? Yes. Does the word by end with the letter Y? Yes again. We found our mystery word. As I read the poem one last time, pay close attention to our mystery words, be and by. I can be a dentist or a vet. I would be the best ever, you bet. I can be a dancer or maybe even sing. By the time I'm grown, I can be anything. Keep people safe by night or day. There's a kind firefighter, they'd say. I can invent a new kind of swing. By the time I'm grown, I can be anything. Be and by are important words that we will practice a lot.
Closing reflection.
How can we practice our mystery words? Yes, we can look for our mystery words in our text and poems. How will that help us with our reading and writing? Count how many times you see the words be and by today. See you next time. Bye.